Hi, my name is Joyce, and I was a patient of Dr. Frank. I had full arch dental implants, 8 implants. 3 years ago, I fell into this office because my implants that I had had 10 years ago were all failing, and I had bridges that were falling out, probably because I smoked and I did everything else that I wasn't supposed to do.
Joyce is fortunate in that she had the benefits of dental implant for many years and decades, over 20 years. And she was finally at a point where her bridge treatment was actually starting to break down, and she definitely wanted to have non-removable teeth again. So there were basically 2 approaches for Joyce. One was to remove the existing dental work that she had, reconstruct the jawbone with significant amount of bone grafting, and then come back and place dental implant, versus using the revita-smile, in which we would take out the existing work and place dental implant, cheekbone implants, and a beautiful new bridge in one day. Joyce, she's really thrilled about her teeth. She had 1 procedure and got the results she was looking for. She's very dynamic, very social. She goes to the country club, and you can just see her dynamic smile everywhere she goes.
I had to do what I had to do because I had been through so much for so many years and put my husband through so much for so many years that I had to do it. They're very warm people, very consoling people, very nice. Nobody puts you down, and they seem to want to take care of me, so they did. They took care of me. I can smile now where toward the end of my time before I met Dr. Frank, I wasn't smiling very much at all. I would like to thank Dr. Frank very much for saving my life, along with Layla, who also helped. So I say saving my life because I was kind of really down in the dumps. So this really helped me, and he took on a very difficult patient, very difficult job. That was me. He was willing to do it. Layla is the most up person I've ever met, and I love her. I do. Look at that smile. I want her smile.
You do?
Yes.
You do have it.
Yeah, I do love her smile. And I love her.